I will tell you the best way to create pages in Facebook. So open your browser and log into your Facebook account, and at the very top just type facebook.com/pages, just like that. Let me just facebook.com/pages and hit enter. Now the moment you do that, you will find at the left hand side an option called create new page, and I will click on that. And here you can mention the page name, then the category which is required, like it's a technical category or any other which you can mention the bio. And once you do that, it will ask you to create the page. And from here, the next thing, it will ask you to upload the background and the profile pic. And I would recommend you to create a high definition, profile page and the background image. Right. It is very important, and it will help to grow your page faster if you have uploaded the profile and the background image or in a HD quality. All right. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.